I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Honda mid-tine tiller. Before starting, always perform essential pre-operation checks. First, verify the engine oil level using the dipstick. It should be between the upper and lower marks. Next, ensure the fuel tank contains fresh, unleaded gasoline. Inspect the tines for any damage or tangled debris and confirm all controls are in their neutral or off positions for safety. These steps are crucial for smooth operation. To start your tiller, begin by turning the fuel valve to the on position. If the engine is cold, move the choke lever to the full position. Pull the starter rope firmly and smoothly until the engine starts. Once running, gradually move the choke to off. To operate, engage the tines slowly using the clutch lever. Guide the tiller with a steady, comfortable pace, allowing it to do the work. Always maintain a firm grip on the handlebars. For effective tilling, start with shallow passes, approximately 2 to 4 inches deep, especially in compacted soil. Gradually increase the tilling depth with each subsequent pass until you reach your desired depth, typically 6 to 8 inches. Overlap each pass by about 1/3 of the tiller's width to ensure thorough and even soil cultivation. Maintain a consistent, comfortable walking speed. Rushing can lead to uneven results and unnecessary effort. After completing your tilling, turn off the engine and allow it to cool down completely before any further handling. Carefully clean any accumulated soil, grass, or debris from the tines and the tiller housing. This prevents rust and maintains efficiency. Store your Honda tiller in a dry, protected area, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Regularly check the air filter and spark plug as part of routine maintenance to ensure long-term performance and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.